Provide this quick video in case anybody's dealt with this or is about to. The blower motor was going slow, and so I was able to remove this is the air filter. I was able to put my hand inside and feel that the motor was not in a good shape. It was moving slowly. It wasn't moving freely. And so I took some of the screws out from underneath there, and I wasn't sure how much difficulty I would have in getting this open, but I wanted to share with you that there's a screw back there, I think there's another one back there, another one here, another one here, and of course these up front, which will be easy to see. Okay, but this thing is just going to be very difficult to get out because it sits in that duct over there. And once I got that out, I had to take the blower off of the motor, put the nut back on, and then I had to put this underneath the nut and yank up on it real hard in order to get this motor out. There's just one little screw on the bottom of the motor that holds it into place down there, and you need to take the electrical connector out, but otherwise that's it. I was able to get it out, and see if I can show this real quickly. You can see that the bushing inside there is moving when it shouldn't be. Here on the other end, it doesn't move. So that's a locked up motor on this is a 2007 Nissan X-Trial 2-wheel drive, left-hand drive, and I hope that provides some help to somebody out there.